If there is one AI conference you are looking to attend this year, then go for OpenAI's first developer conference on November 6th in San Francisco, US. This conference should be full of new innovations and you will get a chance to network with the peers. OpenAI is hosting its first DevDay conference this year. This will feature in-person and live stream events. Registration for in-person attendance will open soon. Now, this one-day event will bring hundreds of developers from around the world together with the team at OpenAI to preview new tools and exchange ideas. If you're attending it in person, then you will also be able to join breakout sessions led by the member of OpenAI's technical staff. Since launching their API in 2020, they have continuously updated it to include their most advanced models, making it easier than ever for developers to integrate cutting edge AI into their projects and applications with few simple API calls. As we speak today, more than 2 million developers worldwide are using GPT-4, GPT 3.5, DALI, and Whisper for a wide range of applications. Companies are using these models for integrating smart assistants into existing applications to building entirely new applications and services that were not possible before. So again, if you are looking to attend this conference, then go to this website and then you can visit devday.openai.com and then you can apply here to attend this. And then you can also select your um, track and then just you need to fill some formalities and that's about it and you should be good to go. And also one more thing to remember that registration fee is $450. But if you want to apply for the scholarship for the free attendance, you can also do it via here. So I hope that you like it. If you're interested, I think this is the time to apply because this might get filled up fairly quickly. Thanks for watching. And if you're already attending, please share your feedback once you attend. Thank you.